In this video, I'll guide you through how to export products to a CSV on Squarespace. Exporting your product data can be incredibly useful if you're looking to analyze sales, manage inventory, or migrate your data to another platform. Let's dive into the steps. First, you'll want to log into your Squarespace account. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. From here, look over to the left-hand sidebar menu. This menu is your main navigation tool within Squarespace, providing access to all the different sections of your site. You'll see various options here, but what you want to focus on is the products section. Go ahead and click on products. This will take you to a page where all your current products are listed. Once you're on the products page, you'll notice a variety of options related to managing your product listings. But for exporting, you need to locate the Export All button. This button is usually positioned towards the top of the page, making it easy to find. By clicking on Export All, you are initiating the process to export all your product data into a CSV file. After clicking Export All, you might see some on-screen instructions. These are typically designed to guide you through any remaining steps or options you might need to choose from. Make sure to follow these instructions carefully. They might include choosing specific data fields you want to export or confirming the export action. It's important to pay attention here to ensure that the CSV file you end up with contains all the necessary data you require. And there you have it. Your product data is now being exported into a CSV file. Depending on the size of your product catalog, this might take a few moments. Once the export is complete, the file will typically be downloaded to your computer automatically. You can then open this CSV file with any spreadsheet application like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets to view or manipulate your data as needed. To wrap things up, exporting your product data to a CSV on Squarespace is a straightforward process that can offer great flexibility for your business operations. Whether you're using this data for analysis, inventory management, or migration to another platform, having your product details in a CSV file is incredibly handy. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you're now able to export your product data with ease. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.